Hey everyone, this is Troy with Lerch RV and welcome to the Ridgeway 35BH. The Ridgeway is going to offer a lot of the same features that our Durango lines carry, give you a much better price point so you can get into that same quality without having to put that budget forward. Over in the kitchen area here, of course, you have your nice long island, plenty of storage here on the other side, as well as your nice large single bowl sink. Heading into the other part of the kitchen here, we do have the nice large over-the-range microwave. Of course, you have your large stove, oven, and 2 drawers underneath there for your additional storage. Heading over to the right side of the kitchenette, you have your nice large refrigerator with a pull-out drawer at the bottom for the freezer as well. Of course, heading into the living area, you do have your extra cabinets above, plenty of storage underneath that as well. Then you do have a little pop-up USB port and charging station over here. But as I mentioned, plenty of storage there. Of course, you have your dinette, which can convert into an additional bed as needed. Then you have your theater seats over here with the reclining setup in those. And then, of course, back heading towards this bunk room, you do have the extra storage here in your entertainment center, your large TV, sound bar underneath, and then your fireplace, which will help provide a good bit of heat throughout the living area here. Back in the rear end part of the coach, you do have your second bathroom or your half bath with the door leading to the outside. And then, of course, for your extra bunk room, you do have your additional air conditioner back here. You have your larger queen-size bunk on the top and bottom with the 500-pound capacity up top here then. Plus your additional storage over here to my right-hand side. Yeah. In the master bedroom, of course, you do have your slide-out, which includes your bed and portion of your bathroom as well. It'll have your vanity and storage underneath there. Of course, you do have your wardrobe in the front, a chest of drawers over there to the left-hand side of the bed. And then you do have washer-dryer hookup and additional storage and wardrobe on the right-hand side of that front piece. And heading into the master bathroom here, of course, you have your tankless water heater control over on the left-hand side of the doorway. You do have your additional storage over here, a place to hang your towels. Then, of course, you have your nice large shower. And then, as I mentioned before, your vanity over here to my right-hand side. As always, remember with all the KZ products, you do have a 2-year manufacturer defect warranty, which is a lot better encompassing than most of the industry standards. On this particular model, you do have an outdoor kitchen as well, which you'll see here in a minute. If you have any questions about the camper, please feel free to give us a heads up either by phone, text, or stop in, and we'll be happy to help you out then, and we look forward to seeing you.